I've decided plus verb means that you have decided to do something. You have already made up your mind and cannot be changed most of the time. I've is a contracted form of I have. Examples: I've decided to quit school and look for a job. I've decided to take my friend's advice to start going to the gym. I've decided to focus on studying despite all the odds around me. I've decided to take a break from work and go on a vacation. I've decided to join the club so I can develop self-confidence. I've decided to drop out of school and start my own business. I've decided to get married and migrate abroad. I've decided to rent a house. I've decided to admit my mistake. I've decided to stop fighting my husband for the sake of our children.